Hello everyone, Dustin here, and I am so excited to be coming at you with another Healthy Helpings video. So today I am making one of my favorite foods, and I'm sure you guys have had it a million times, but we're gonna add just a little twist to it. So today we're gonna be making a grilled cheese sandwich with tomato. So get excited, get ready. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then we're gonna get started. Okay guys, so my hands are washed, my tomato is clean, and I'm ready to go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just talk about my ingredients. So I have some whole wheat bread here, I have some low-fat sliced cheese, I have an amazingly beautiful tomato here, I have some low-fat butter in here, and then I also have just some various seasonings in here. I think I have like garlic powder and some Italian seasonings in there as well to go on my bread once I have assembled it. So go ahead and just unwrap your cheese and then go ahead and start slicing your tomato as well. So I'm gonna do it just like this. They're sliced. You can make them as thin or as thick as you would like. Tomatoes are just one of those great summer foods. They just always taste so like fresh and yum. So I can add tomatoes to just about anything. The next thing I'm gonna do is just put some butter on top of my bread. And this is room temperature just to make it a little bit easier to work with. Do you guys use a knife when you're spreading butter or spreading like peanut butter or jelly, or do you use a spoon? Let me know in the comments, because I have always been a person who uses a spoon to spread stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird. So go ahead and spread that on there, and then we're gonna assemble. I have my pan on standby on the stove. That's how we're gonna cook this today. And I put just a little bit of cooking spray in the pan, but you really don't need any because the butter is going to act as for it not to stick. We're gonna cook those fats, and butter has quite a bit of fats in there. That's why we wanna get like the low fat butter, because not all fats are bad. So I'm just gonna assemble this really quick. So as you can see, I've already put one of the buttered sides of the bread down, and then I'm just gonna add my cheese on top of that. And then I'm going to add a slice of tomato there. And then I'm going to add another piece of cheese. You can only do one cheese if you would like to do, if you want to make it just a little bit healthier, but come on, who does not put 2 pieces of cheese on a grilled cheese sandwich? And then you're just gonna top it off the other one with the other side there. So I'm just gonna let this cook until it's golden brown on both sides, and then we're gonna enjoy. All right, everyone, so my grilled cheese is done. It smells amazing, and I'm super excited to take a bite out of it. You can make it as crisp as you would like, just leave it on there for a little bit longer, but it's really your preference. So I picked tomatoes today because they're just a great summer food. They taste fresh. I really enjoy them. They also have an antioxidant called lycopene in them, which eliminates cell harming free radicals in our body, so they can help prevent against cancer and things like that. They're really yummy and they help our body, so they get an A+ in my book. If you wanted to add some protein to this, you definitely can by adding some turkey bacon. If you want to add some greens, you definitely can add some spinach or some lettuce. It's really up to you. You can make a BLT if you would like to, just as long as you add some veggies to this. That's my goal here, guys. And it doesn't have to be gross. Adding veggies to things can just elevate your dish and make it taste that much better. Today, I paired mine with some peaches, and it's just going to be a quick lunch for me because I am busy. So this is going to get the job done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let us know if there's any recipes that you would like for us to make, and stay tuned for next week as another one of my colleagues make another one of these Healthy Helpings videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.